In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel files into Google Sheets. If you've ever received a spreadsheet in Excel format and wanted to continue working on it inside Google Sheets, the good news is that the process is very simple. Google Sheets can open and convert Excel files, which makes it easy to collaborate online, save changes automatically, and access your spreadsheet from anywhere. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. From there, search for how to import Excel files into Google Sheets, or simply head directly to Google Sheets if you already know the site. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can upload and edit files. On the Google Sheets page, look for the folder icon. This is the file picker, and it gives you access to spreadsheets you've already opened, as well as the option to upload new files. Click that folder icon to continue. A window will appear with several tabs. To bring in an Excel file from your computer, select the Upload tab. This is the section used for importing files that aren't already stored in Google Sheets. Now, choose your Excel file. You can either drag and drop the file into the Upload area, or click the option to browse your device and select it manually. Once you choose the file, Google Sheets will begin uploading it automatically. After the upload finishes, the Excel file will open in Google Sheets. At this point, Google will convert the file so you can view and edit it in the Sheets environment. In many cases, most formatting, formulas, and data will come across correctly, but it's always a good idea to quickly review the spreadsheet afterward. Pay special attention to formulas, merged cells, charts, and conditional formatting, since those are the areas most likely to need a quick adjustment. If everything looks good, you can continue editing the spreadsheet just like any other Google Sheet. Your changes will save automatically as you work, which is one of the biggest advantages of using Google Sheets instead of a local file. And that's it. You've successfully imported an Excel file into Google Sheets. It's a fast and convenient way to move your work into Google's cloud-based spreadsheet tool, while keeping your data accessible and easy to share.